Mr. Act here, and thank you very much to the person who sent in this question. We've got a pair of parallel lines which are marked. We've got a semicircle with the centre marked, and we're asked to find angle X given that angle that is marked as 58. Now, before we do anything else, let's spot a few things here. First of all, this is the centre of the circle. So that would mean that this length and this length are equal. And so I have got an isosceles triangle. That angle will be equal to the whole of that angle. Okay, so that's going to be worth remembering. So to help me remember that, I'm going to put 2 dashes there and 2 dashes there to remind me that POQ is an isosceles triangle. Right, what else can I see? Well, if I look at this chord here, I've got an angle at the centre, and I've got an angle at the edge. So that angle at R is going to be half 58. So this angle at R is going to be 29. Right, now, parallel lines. That's a parallel line, that's a parallel line. So have a look at this. I've got a Z angle there, or an alternate angle. And this angle here is going to be 29. Okay, well, I seem to be getting somewhere now. Oh, look. Do you agree that this angle here, looking at that isosceles triangle, which we identified earlier, do we agree that that angle at Q is going to be x plus 29, the same as this angle at P? But also, what about if we were to look at this yellow triangle? Now I'm thinking, can we find another expression for that angle at Q? The answer is not yet. Right, what else can we spot? Oh, wait a moment. 29 and 58. 29 and 58 mean that I can find the third angle in that triangle there. It's not a right angle. So 180 minus 29 minus 58 gives me 93 here, which means that this angle is 93, which means that this angle is 180 minus 93 minus 29. So that angle is 58. Now, can we turn our attention to this angle once again? We've already decided that it's equal to x plus 29 because angle PQO, this is this one, PQO is an isosceles. Now, can we get another expression for this angle here because of this triangle? Isn't it true to say that that angle PQO is going to be equal to 180 minus x, let's take away that angle, minus 29 minus 58. So that that blue triangle there, the triangle PQR, has 180 degrees in it. So that would mean that I would have 180 minus 29 minus 58, 93 minus x. So haven't I found two different expressions for the angle PQO? It could be x plus 29, or it could be 93 minus x. So here's an equation that I can solve. Add x to both sides, minus 29 from both sides. Here's an equation I can solve to find x. So, just to recap, this expression came from the isosceles triangle PQO. That is an expression for the angle PQO. And this expression is also an expression for the angle PQO, and it came from analysing the triangle PQR and using the fact that a triangle has 180 degrees. So hence we had two expressions for the same angle, so we could put them equal to each other, solve the equation, and find x. Not a straightforward question. And I wonder if I've done it in the most straightforward way. Have you got a better method for me? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.